We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
Today, we will discuss about how to set the units in SketchUp. You can change the measurement units in SketchUp by going to Window, Model Info, and Units. You can choose a preset units like Architecture, Engineering, Fractional. Or if you want to customize your units, choose Decimal. Here you can change the unit settings for length and angle. By clicking on the option Display Unit Format, you can see the unit formats along with the dimension. In Precision box, you can set the precision values for length and angles. Thanks for watching this video.